Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 5 potential altcoins to buy right now. So in the past 24 hours, the market has been very green. So the market is up about 3.25%. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours going to be PlayDAP right there, which is actually up about 56.85%, trading at around this $1 range. Our highest volume is like usual, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is right around that 39,000 area, close to 40,000. We finally, came back up again. So we've been trading between this 38 and 42,000 area now for about a week or so. And, we're waiting for a breakout. Now, Ethereum definitely doing very well, up about 7.8%, outperforming Bitcoin, trading at around 2,700 right now. We have obviously Binance Coin up 3%, Cardano about 2%, Ripple about 1%, and then all these other altcoins about 1%, and obviously some are even 10%. Obviously, you guys already know as the large cap coins tend to go higher, the mid cap and then the small cap coins tend to follow that same pattern and go up even higher and faster because it takes a lot less power to push those coins higher. So before we get into this countdown, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're aiming for 40,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. So subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links are going to be in the description for that as well. And leave a comment below what altcoins or what crypto are you looking to buy right now. So the first altcoin is going to be Uniswap. So Uniswap, also known as Uni, is up about 10% today from lows of about $20 all the way up here to highs of about $23.50 at one point during the day. It's doing very well. So in the past week, this one's up over 22%. Past month, 12%, with lows down here being at around $14. So from that $14 range, it is up about $9 or so, which is massive, obviously, over 60% profit in a matter of 2 or 3 weeks. Here on the 1 year chart, this coin is up over 657%, trading at around $3 last September when the coin started trading. Went up here to highs of over $45, pulled back down. We consolidated, obviously, came back even lower. And now as the, crypto market is in kind of like a little bit of a bull run right here, we're seeing a lot of momentum, push these coins higher and higher. So market cap on Uniswap is at around 13.8 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at around 538.5 million. And then the circulating supply, 587.4 million. So obviously, Uniswap is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that is designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There's no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by the smart contracts. So that is how Uniswap works. You guys can go ahead and check out, the website and check out all the other, features and different things that they have on there. So Uniswap coming in at number 1. Number 2 is going to be Stellar Lumens, also known as XLM. This one, another low market cap right here. It is up about 2.87% the past 24 hours, trading around 28 cents, was around 27 cents earlier. In the past week, this one's pretty much flat, only up about 2%. Past month, 2% as well, hitting lows of about 20 cents actually here in July. So it is up about 8 cents since then, which is, pretty decent amount, almost about a 40% to 50% gain right there made in about a couple of weeks. Now on the 1 year chart, this one is up over 156% right here if you take a look, which is nice. I mean, it was trading around 10 cents or so last year, hit highs up here of over 80 cents at one point in May, and then obviously we've been pulling back lower and lower. Market cap on Stellar is about 6.6 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 479.8 million, and then obviously the circulating supply at 23.4 billion. So obviously, guys, Stellar's cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumens XLM, powers the Stellar payment network. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. So Stellar Lumens, definitely another altcoin to be looking out for the future, as it is it's taken a big dive, I guess you could say, since about that May time period, and it's time for us to come back up on the uprise. So that is number 2, and then our number 3 coin is going to be Tron, also known as TRX. So this one up about 8.74%, trading at around 0.0699, so almost at 7 cents right now. It was at 6 earlier. Now in the past week, it's up over 15%, hitting lows down here in the low 6s, and then obviously on the past month down, or actually up about 4% almost, from about 5 cents all the way up here to about 7 cents right now. In the past year, this one is up over 242% almost. It was trading at 2 cents last August, came up here to highs of 18 cents in April. Then we pulled back down, came back up, and then pulled back down again and continued to go lower and lower until obviously now we saw a little bit of this run starting to happen, and it's pushing all these altcoins higher and higher, which is definitely a positive sign. Most of these are going to be low market cap coins on the list, so they're all very low market cap. They have plenty of room for growth, plenty of room for 2x, 3x, 5x potential in the future. Market cap on Tron is about 4.8 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 858.1 million. So, Tron is or Tronix is a cryptocurrency running on the Tron blockchain. Its goal is to create a decentralized internet. So Tron, definitely one that I would keep an eye on, because right now the market cap is only at 4.8 billion. So if it did a 2 or 3x, it would still be undervalued, only at about 15 billion market cap, and it would be trading at around that 20 cents area once again, and potentially even higher, which would create new all-time highs obviously for Tron. So that is our third altcoin, and then our fourth one is going to be Monero. So Monero, also known as XMR, is up about 9.83%, almost 10% on it, trading at $246.31 right now. In the past week, this one's up about 4%, so it did go a little bit lower down here. In the past month, 12% from lows of 178 at one point, and then obviously on the 1-year chart, over 172% from lows of under 100, so it was around $94. Came up here at one point in May at $517. Then obviously since then we've lost about 50% of our capital right there. But it did go low and low all the way to about 180 or so, and now we made a little bit of a comeback. Another low market cap, just like the previous one. Market cap at 4.4 billion on this one. Volume in the past 24 hours at 213 million. So Monero is a cryptocurrency focused on privacy. Transactions on the Monero blockchain can be traced or tracked. Monero uses a proof of work consensus algorithm to issue new coins and secure transactions. So you guys can see right here the circulating supply is around 18 million Monero coins. So this one, very low market cap. That's why we're looking at these low market cap altcoins, because they have a lot of potential for the future. Obviously 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now, these coins could definitely be at the top, depending on which one does what and how things transition, obviously with the whole crypto world in general and how we accept it as a society. So now the number 5, also another lower market cap. So pretty much all of these market caps have been low. Uniswap was a little bit higher, but everything else is about 4 to 5% or so, maybe even lower. Everything's doing okay right here. If we take a look at AAVE, this one is up about almost 15%, trading at $354 per coin. Market cap at 4.4 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 365.8 million. In the past week, this one's up about 18.8%, but you guys can see that this one is a runner. It likes to run very, very fast. In the past month, this one is up about 28%, hitting lows down here of about $212 at one point. So since then, we're up over 50% definitely on this coin just in about 2 weeks or so. In the past year, this coin is up over 68,000%, guys. You could have bought this coin last October for about 50 cents, which is just insane to think about. If you just had 50 cents, instead of buying like bubble gum or something like that at the vending machine, you could have bought one AAVE coin, and now it'd be worth $354, and you can get all the gum you want now. Now, at one point, it actually did hit up here highs of $670 per coin, and at that point, it was up, it was up over 100,000%. So imagine getting a 100,000% return in less than a year. That is just insane to think about. And, that's exactly what happened for anybody that got in very, very early on this coin. I mean, even if you got up here, in the $50 range or so, $40, $30, you would have made some great money. I mean, from $30 to $300 right now, that's a 10x return, over 1,000%. Which is insanity in my opinion. So AAVE is an Ethereum token that powers AAVE, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while the borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. So AAVE, definitely one of those greener coins that had a pop, obviously here in May when everybody started to transition away from Bitcoin and all that hype was going on. A lot of these greener coins started to trend on higher, and AAVE was definitely one of them. So those are the 5 altcoins, guys. Now let's see what the market is doing. So like we said, Ethereum is up almost 8% today, from lows of about 24.55 to highs of about almost 2,800 at one point here going into Wednesday night. Now, in the past week, this one's up over 17.79%. It broke through the previous highs that we made last week and, destroyed that by a mile and will continue to run. In the past month, it's up over 16% from lows of about 1,700 now to highs of about almost 2,800. So that's about over $1,000, profit right there that Ethereum made just in a matter of 2 or 3 weeks. So could we potentially be seeing another run like we saw here in the beginning of 2021? Definitely a possibility. It tends to run very fast right here, just like it did like the previous time here at the end of April. So this could be a very, very positive thing for Ethereum if it continues to run. It's outpacing, Bitcoin for sure right now, which is another big thing, obviously. especially for the fans of Ethereum like myself that believe that the flippening will happen eventually and that Ethereum will surpass Bitcoin in the market cap value. So 318.1 billion market cap right now on Ethereum. Compare that to Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin 738 billion. So Ethereum would have to pretty much double, and Bitcoin would have to stay at this exact price in order for it to pass. So Bitcoin up about 3% from lows of about 37,000 or so. Now we're around 39,000, hitting highs up here of almost 40,000 at one point. Now in the past week, obviously we did break through that area, but we did, come back down again. So now we're kind of coming back up. So we've been consolidating for a week now. In the past month, it's up over 11% from lows of about 29,000 right here to highs of 42,000. Then in the past year, obviously 234% gains. We're finally seeing that gain, happening. What we're going to be looking for is obviously to get back into the mid 40s or so. That would be a nice resistance to break through and then, continue to push on higher. So like I said, guys, we saw this, run up. Then we saw a little bit of a dip, and I talked about it in a previous video where I said, okay, we're seeing a little bit of a dip, cool off, and then hopefully another spike on higher. And that's exactly what seems to be happening right now, which is definitely a good sign. Now, as we go into the end of this week and, beginning of the weekend, this could be another positive thing. Maybe we'll see a run going into Saturday and Sunday, and, Bitcoin could continue to run on higher. What do you guys think will happen? Leave a comment below. Actually, let me know what you think will happen with Bitcoin over the next few days. And then we have Doge. So Doge, what can I even say about this one? This one's pretty much done in my opinion. Bull run or no bull run. I don't think Doge is going to be making any crazy runs, but right now it's up about 2%, trading at 20 cents. In the past week, it's down actually 2.5%. Past month, down 18%, hitting lows down here about 16 cents at one point. Obviously, on the 1 year chart, we're up over 5,500% as we saw that, SNL, Dogecoin run up we saw here with pretty much all the cryptos. And then obviously the sell off. And now, like I keep saying, even if we didn't see this, bull run, this coin would probably have been under 15 cents by now. And that's the only thing saving it right now. But as soon as the market starts to go down and, we turn around into the red, I believe the Doge is going to be, diving very, very deep like a falling knife. And nobody wants to catch that knife while it's falling from the top. So Doge, 26.4 billion. I think it's game over for the Doge holders. You guys let me know what you guys think about that one as well. So, guys, those are the, crypto coins we're looking at, the altcoins. You guys let me know what do you think is going to happen in the crypto world right now in the next few weeks. And as always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time we make a new video. And if you guys want to sign up for We will get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 when you sign up today. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.